250 years. To every American who served, and to everyone who came before us to build this great nation, thank you. We stand on your shoulders. To honor 250 years, I'm tearing down things that have been around that long, and many still work today. Take this ship, the USS Constitution. They called her Old Ironsides for a reason. Her hull is layered oak nearly 2 feet thick. Enemy cannonballs literally bounced off her sides. 3 towering masts, miles of rope rigging, and nearly an acre of canvas sails. No engine, the wind did all the work. Below deck, rows of heavy iron cannons, more than 50 guns. In battle after battle, Old Ironsides never lost. This double wheel steered her. Ropes ran below deck to a massive wooden rudder. In rough seas, it took 4 sailors to hold her. And under everything, the keel, her backbone. One great line of timber, laid first, holding the whole ship straight and strong. She's still a commissioned U.S. Navy warship today, with a real active-duty crew, and she can still sail. Still here after 250 years. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me what I should tear down next. Happy 250th, America.